In this tutorial, you'll design a minimalist poster layout in Photoshop using custom shapes to create a modern composition. Start by opening Photoshop and creating a vertical canvas for poster design. Use the Custom Shape tool to draw large geometric shapes like rectangles and circles to form the poster's foundation. Layer smaller shapes like triangles or polygons to create depth and visual interest. Use the Type tool to add a bold headline in the center, adjusting font size to balance the composition. Add thin lines or decorative shapes to guide the viewer's eye. Duplicate some shapes behind and reduce opacity to create subtle shadows. Refine alignment so all elements feel balanced and harmonious. Zoom out to view the poster as a whole. It now looks dynamic, clean, and visually engaging.